Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data and I'm going to create drop-down list for this column, this gift column. I'm going to create the list with this data guys. I have already made the list. Okay, and now it's time to create the drop down list. So we can select the column that we want to apply the drop down list to, and then we can go to the data, and I'm going to select the data tools here and select this icon, the data validation icon. Select it, and then you're going to choose the validation criteria, and I'm going to choose a list. And for the source, I'm going to select the list I have made. Okay, and then once you're done selecting the source, you can click on OK. And then after you apply the drop down list, you will see this icon. You can click on this icon and choose the data from the list like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!